use of no sooner than instead of as soon as. As soon as and no sooner than. The sentence having as soon as and no sooner than having similar meaning. मीन्स त्यांचा वाक्याचा बदल रूपांतर करत असताना as soon as च्या वाक्यात no sooner than टाकताना वाक्याचा मूळ अर्थ बदलत नाही, परंतु एखादी क्रिया घडते अगदी तोच त्या संबंधित दुसरी क्रिया घडते असं जेव्हा वर्णन करायचं असतं आपल्याला त्यावेळेस आपण as soon as किंवा no sooner than चा वापर करू शकतो. Let's see example. As soon as the lunch is ready, the mother calls children. We have to remove as soon as and use instead of it no sooner. After no sooner, use auxiliary. Is. As soon as, instead of as soon as, we use no sooner, we use auxiliary. Is the lunch ready. Instead of comma, we have to use then. Mother calls children. नंतरचं ते सेंटेन्स ते आहे ॲज इट इज राईट करायचं आहे. कॉमा ऐवजी आपल्याला देन यूज करायचं आहे आणि ॲज सून ॲज नो सूनर यूज वापरायचं आहे आणि ऑक्झिलरी जे आहे ते नो सूनर नंतर राईट करायचं आहे. नो सूनर इज द लंच रेडी देन मदर कॉल्स चिल्ड्रन. नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स. ॲज सून ॲज फादर हॅड रिटर्न फ्रॉम ऑफिस. जेव्हा बाबा ऑफिसमधून परतले आणि तितक्याच वेळेला त्यांना पुन्हा ऑफिसमध्ये बोलावलं गेलं. ही वॉज कॉल्ड बॅक. मीन्स एखादी क्रिया घडते तोच त्याच वेळेस दुसरी क्रिया सुरू होते. इंस्टेड ऑफ as soon as we have used no sooner and auxiliary is had. We use it after it and father return from office. Instead of comma we use then. He was called back. He was called back. No sooner had father returned from office than he was called back. As soon as the results were declared, the student cheered loudly. The student cheered loudly means instead of as soon as we have used no sooner. In this sentence where is the auxiliary we use after it. No sooner where the remaining part as it is the results where we have here, so it does not here. The result declared instead of comma we use then. The students cheered loudly. The student cheered loudly. Stop this side. Next, as soon as the chutney is ready, the mixer will be switched off. The mixer will be switched off. We use no sooner instead of as soon as. No sooner auxiliary is the chutney ready, then the mixer will be switched off. The mixer will be switched off. कॉमा नंतर स्टेटमेंट आहे, स्मॉल सेंटेन्स आहे आणि तसंच यूज करायचं आहे. शेवटी फुल स्टॉप द्यायचा आहे. इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉमा वी हॅव टू यूज देन and as soon as we remove and instead of it we use no sooner. And in this sentence there is a auxiliary is, was, where, maybe we use after no sooner. Okay. As soon as and no sooner than has a similar meaning and it can be used in any type of tense. Simple past tense, present tense or any three types. As soon as I touch the wire I get a shock. In this sentence, find out the verb. When there is no word auxiliary in this sentence, then we find the tense of the verb. Here, touch is in infinitive form, so take the help of do. Do, does, did यांची हेल्प घ्यायची आपल्याला. ओरिजिनल फॉर्म मध्ये असेल, मूळ फॉर्म मध्ये असेल, इन्फिनिटिव्ह फॉर्म असेल तर डू चा यूज करायचा आहे. जर सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स असेल म्हणजे सफिक्स यस ऑर ईएस असेल वर्बला तर आपण डज ची हेल्प घ्यायची. वेट वर्ब इन पास्ट टेन्स, सो टेक द हेल्प ऑफ डीड. ओके. As soon as I touch the wire I get a shock. Instead of as soon as we use no sooner. Take the help of do because of this touch original form आहे, auxiliary नाही म्हणून. I touch the wire. Instead of comma use then I get a shock. I get a shock, full stop. No sooner do I touch the wire than I get a shock. As soon as it starts raining, the farmers become happy. Instead of as soon as we use no sooner, starts in the simple past tense, simple present tense. Here suffix es or yes is there. Then take the help of does. It start remove yes from the word raining. After instead of comma we use then the farmer become happy. The farmer become happy. Then push stop. Next sentence. As soon as she reached the class, she gave the letter to the teacher. Instead of as soon as we use no sooner and when verb is reached in past tense, so we take the help of did. Here after no sooner we use did. She ed remove करा पास्ट टेन्स मधला पण ह्या ed पास्ट टेन्स सफिक्स ed मुळे आपण काय त्या did घेतलाय तो रिमूव्ह करायचा रीच घ्यायचे मूळ इन्फिनिटिव्ह फॉर्म मध्ये वर्ब राईट करायचा आहे. इथे सुद्धा आपण एस रिमूव्ह केला स्टार्ट लिहिले आहे. इथे ed सफिक्स काढून टाका रीच लिहा ओरिजिनल फॉर्म मध्ये का हे इथे did यूज केलंय. She did the class instead of comma use then. She gave the letter to the teacher. Next, as soon as the sun sets, start begins to shine. Instead of as soon as we use no sooner, sets simple present tense है, so take the help of does. The sun sets चा yes remove करा, set original मूळ form मध्ये लिहा, comma ऐवजी then stars begin to shine. Next sentence as it is write करा, full stop there. No sooner does the sun set, stars